As an associate in Big Law, your taxes are pretty simple, and you can probably get away with doing it on your own with TurboTax. But as a partner, your taxes have become much more complex, and you must work with a qualified tax professional. So what are the keys to finding a good tax pro? Well, let me show you. First, you want to find a tax pro that will not only do tax preparation, but also tax planning. The difference is that tax preparation is just gathering your documents and filing your tax return on your behalf. The analogy I like to use is you're looking in the rearview mirror. You look at what happened in the past year and then you file the taxes. So you kind of deal with what happened. Tax planning is taking a proactive approach and making changes before the end of the tax year. So I'll give you an example. If you are in Q4 and you do a little bit of tax projection, you may realize that you're going to be short with your tax payments for the year. So you can make an estimated payment in Q4 in order to minimize your tax penalties. So that's an example of a short-term benefit of tax planning. You can also have long-term tax benefits of tax planning. For example, the recommendation of doing a backdoor Roth IRA for a big law attorney could have over $100,000 tax benefit over your lifetime by just simply shifting your assets from one bucket to the other. Now, keep in mind that a good tax professional will cost you more than your TurboTax software will. You can expect to pay between $2,500 and $5,000 per return, depending on where you live and the complexity of your return. So if you have a spouse who is a business owner or something like that, that may increase the cost. At the end of the day, a good tax pro will cost you more, but trust me, it's going to be worth every penny, especially considering that you could pay thousands of dollars in underpayment penalties if you mess up your taxes. If you need a list of vetted accountants who work specifically with big law attorneys, just reach out to me either on LinkedIn or on Instagram, and I'm happy to send it to you.